Alright, so I'm gonna repair one of my lamps. It doesn't work too well, so I'm gonna switch all the sockets. And this is the third one. I have one more to go. I'm switching all the cables, and I'm making them longer by soldering them, or soldering, or what you call it. We have a piece of wire. I'm actually going to use some flux paste, and I never tried it before, and I did this solder. It's not perfect, but it's there and it looks okay. You just take your two wires and apparently just twist them together around each other. Oh, okay, guess not. Let's separate them a little bit. These Chinese in sockets, these ones, their wires don't have copper in them. I think it's nickel plating or something. I don't know. It can't be silver, and I highly doubt that also. Just twist them together so get them somewhat tight, like so. Ooh. I have to buy a clamp or something to make it a little bit sturdier. Then you take your soldering iron and heat that one up. I'm going to use heat shrink tubing on the solder. Just get it warm. This wasn't the best. Oh my god! Don't inhale that. Don't do it like I do here. Take your solder and you just hold it against the wire that's going to be soldered or soldered. Oh, now I know what I did. I burned all the rubber from the wire. Hello. It's hot as hell. Come on. What's going on? Flip it over. You see? The flux just make it go everywhere and in between and everywhere. Pretty easy, huh? So that's one connection with longer wires. We have 1, 2, and 3 is longer. And we have number 4 that isn't that long. Yeah, that's how we do it. And there it is. I can see there are 2 bad lamps that are about to burn. So it must be the lamps, not or the bulbs rather. Hello. Strange. But it's working. It's better than dark.